There's Reed. I want to bring y'all a quick video. So, about a week ago, I got some weird pictures on my game camera, and the long story short is our deer lease caught on fire. So, the fire department came out here and put it out. Thankfully, they took my game camera with it was sending weird pictures, and then it quit sending pictures. And the fire chief at Childress Fire Department, yeah, they big shout out to them. They took my camera down, my $200 camera, and took it up to the fire department and kept it for me. And then they put all these fires out around here. So, well, Reed's gonna walk you around and show you the fires real quick.
Okay, so here's our feeders, and then the fire is out over there, all way back in there. And then you can see through all those trees, it burned all down there and all down there. So that whole strip like there is all burnt. Luckily our feeders are fine, and the $200 camera's good.
So Reed kind of showed y'all a little bit, but back on the other side of the creek back in there, it's all burnt. All back over there, all back in here. I mean, everywhere. But like I said, the feeders were fine, the camera's good, the blind up there is good. So really thankful that we didn't lose everything. It could have been a lot worse.